Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix stuttering and rubber banding in Valorant. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Valorant. After opening the game, you just need to press an escape key and go to settings. In general tab, you just need to scroll down and find network buffering. Just set this network buffering to minimum and just close off the settings and close the game. And now go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select the advanced tab under virtual memory. Select change. You just need to uncheck this automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. And then in this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and select the custom size. And now we just need to find how much RAM installed in our PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC, click on open it. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM installed. After knowing your RAM, just close stuff here. Check my video description for this installation size value and maximum size value. Just copy the installation value depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 32 GB of RAM, so I am copying it. The same thing for maximum size. Copy the value and paste it in maximum size and select the set option. Now the value should be set at under pegging file size. If you have multiple drives listed over here, then you just need to do the same thing for all of the drives, just by selecting them and do the same steps. After you see the values next to the drive list, you just need to select OK and select OK option, select apply and OK, select OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.